Hi kids! Let's paint Vincent van Gogh's sunflowers. First, tape off your edges and get your pencil and eraser. Now draw your table line. Draw a hefty circle above it. Now draw a sunflower circle on top. Overlap another one on top of the first circle. Add a larger one on the top right. Cut the circle in half and draw lines on the side. Now it's a vase! Add another flower circle and draw the middle of the top right. Put one behind the top left and draw a half circle. Add the center for the bottom two and petals to the half circle. Don't forget the top left. Put mini circles in the bottom two flowers and leaves. Add petals to the top right flower like a compass. Draw its stem and leaf. Add stems to the 3 remaining flowers. Now add a mini center and begin erasing your guidelines. Add 2 more petals. Good job on your drawing! Now get out your paint palette, water, brush, and towel. Prepare a light blue, yellow ochre, yellow, and light yellow paint. Use light blue for the background first. When you color, go for the background so that it will be easier to color everything else on top. Make sure you protect your edges, then you can fill it in. Next, use yellow ochre for the table. Use the same technique. Put light yellow for the bottom vase and regular yellow for the top. Use that same yellow for the flower petals. Then use yellow ochre again for the circular flowers. Fun fact! Did you know Vincent van Gogh was 27 when he started painting? He painted almost 900 paintings in 10 years. Wow! Cool! Let your painting dry while you clean up. Get your oil pastels and black color pencil ready. We are using Pentel's 50 count oil pastels and the colors are ochre, brown, Van Dyke brown, dark green, and green gray. First use ochre and brown for the top right flower center. Then use brown for fuzzy lines around the left flower. For the one above it, use ochre. The centers of these are also Van Dyke brown. Next, use green-gray for the bottom 2 flower circles. Add fuzzy lines with brown and ochre too. Now use both gray-green and dark green for the stem and leaves. Did you know Van Gogh's sunflowers are some of his most famous artworks? He created 5 paintings of them with 3 shades of yellow. He hung 2 of them in Paul Gauguin's room, and they symbolized gratitude. When coloring the leaves, make sure you're using dark green on the bottom and gray-green on the top. Lastly, write your name on the vase with a black pencil. Peel the tape for a crisp border, and voila! You are done! Good job, artist!
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website at jubiart.com. Follow us on social media at JUBI Art Official. Bye!